welcome to Digital Wellness. I hope you have watched all the 3 episodes on healthy eating on Bits and Bytes in Digital Wellness. If you haven't, please find the link in the description box below, and please like, subscribe and share Digital Wellness. Healthy snack is another important way of eating the right meal. Let me show you the quick snack which is made out of khapli wheat and besan, that is from grain to mill to the plate. And I have made another snack which is the coriander vadi or the kothambiri vadi. This is done at home and it ensures good health to everyone. Let me show you, or let me tell you how I have made this. I have used equal portions of khapli wheat and besan. For this I have used about 1/4 cup of khapli wheat and 1/4 cup of besan. Mixed it together by adding a little oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. For seasoning I have used salt for taste, pepper and jeera powder. Mix it well so that it holds shape when you mix, and add hot water and let it rest for about 10 minutes. You should prepare a very soft dough when you prepare for a biscuit. After about 10 minutes, prepare the microwave by heating it earlier for 10 minutes, or preheat the oven for 10 minutes, and then make equal portions of the khapli wheat flour or the dough which I have prepared. I have made about 12 portions, equal portions of it. Make them round and make them in the shape of a biscuit. Garnish them with almonds and bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. I use the convection mode for baking it. You can use the convection or the microwave mode. After about 12 minutes, the biscuit will be done. You can remove it and let it cool and store it in an airtight container. This can be used as a part of a meal when you are having lunch or dinner, or as a snack also. When you are having it as a part of a meal, salads and dal and sabji should also be included in it in the meal. And if you are having it as a snack with tea, you can just have 2 to 3 pieces of it along with your tea. I have another recipe today which is known as the coriander vadi or the kothambir vadi. Let me tell you the recipe of kothambir vadi. For this, I have used a lot of kothambir or coriander leaves, freshly cut, and a cup of besan or chickpeas flour. Along with that, I have used coarsely ground jeera, ginger, garlic, green chilies and ajwain. After making a soft dough, roll it into long thin rolls. Steam them for about 12 to 15 minutes. After they are cooled, cut them into dices or small slices like this, and give them a waggarne or seasoning of til, that is sesame seeds, jeera, coriander seeds, coriander leaves and curry leaves. It is very delicious when eaten hot, or can be stored for 2 to 3 days without getting spoiled. It is a very delicious snack along with your evening tea or coffee. Please do make them and please let me know how you feel about it. Enjoy your tea with these snacks. The link to the recipe of the biscuit and the kothambiri vadi is given in the link given in the description box. This is the last of the series of healthy eating on Bits and Bytes at Digital Wellness. For more interesting topics and recipes on healthy food, stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the bell button and keep watching Digital Wellness. Share, subscribe and keep watching Digital Wellness. Thank you.